I am Goose.
I am Logan.
And we are at Knott's Berry Farm. So Logan and I are here at Knott's Berry Farm, Buena, California, on a very sunny Friday.
That's for sure.
Yeah, it is in the 90s. We're kind of used to this where we live, but not when we're down here. So right now we're going through the ghost town, then we're gonna head on over to the Ghost Rider, ride that first, and just enjoy this nice Friday afternoon here in Buena, California, Knott's Berry Farm.
Yep.
So we stood in line for an hour to get over to the front of Ghost Rider, and first of all they tell me, even though I got a new equipment to use to film and shoot ride videos, they still won't let me shoot ride videos, even though the camera's on my purse and I'm not holding it. So I'm wondering if it's a Cedar Point thing that they're not gonna allow people to shoot video. Then we get into the car and guess what? I'm too big again. I'm too big to ride it. So we just decided, you know what, let's just get off the ride, go find something else to do. So just the way it is, it's really frustrating. It's like, you know, and I saw something about this. Disney Dan was talking about this, how it's like, you know, you get all the way to the front of the line and you get in and then it's almost like walking the plank when all of a sudden now you can't fit into the ride vehicles because you're too big. And granted, I mean, I may be a big guy. I'm really not like super fat. I'm a big guy, but I think it's just frustrating how a lot of these rides don't accommodate some of the bigger people that come to the parks. So anyway, we're gonna find something else to do, and maybe pretty soon grab some dinner. So we'll check back with you a little later. So Logan, I guess the good thing is we got these refillable cups. We get to be able to get drinks when we need to. Show yours. Who wants to see yours? See, that's what they look like. You know, with 16 bucks a piece, and you get free drinks every all around the park. So right here, it's the Birdcage Theater. They usually have live entertainment here. I guess they have not reopened it yet. But when was the last time we were here that had this open?
5 years ago?
5 years ago, we were here last time here. And we saw a nice live show here. So hopefully they'll get this reopened. We can come back and see another show. There you go. I never saw this back here last time. I think this is new.
Maybe.
It's like a cemetery. Boot Hill Cemetery. Sacred to the memory of Barty Clay, who used awful language but paid his way. I almost feel like I'm like in the old west of the Haunted Mansion back here.
Yeah, that's what I'm.
So we decided to drown our sorrows from Ghost Rider into this giant funnel cake, fully loaded. It's got soft serve, it's got boysenberry topping, they have other toppings of strawberry and chocolate. Logan over there is moving over here to shade, but this is like delicious. He's already over there devouring his. And again, one of the great things about having these cups, we get free refills, so we got our nice Cokes and Sprites. How is it so far, Logan? It's good? Let's get into this. You can see I'm about halfway through mine. Logan's just a little bit behind me. He's doing good, but these are fully loaded funnel cakes you get over at Ghost Town Grub. And these are like actual blue boysenberries. These are not like, you know, not like some kind of preserve or something. It's like, these are like big chunks of boysenberries in here. So this is really good. Props. So one of the things we found out here while we were getting our tickets is that, first of all, I got to check our tickets online, so they were cheaper. So if you get them online, they're cheaper. And then they have what's known as a Fast Pass upgrade. And the Fast Pass upgrade for Knott's Berry Farm is $89. Which,
Per person.
Per person, which means, you know, that's $89 on top of the ticket you've already bought. So if for anybody who's complaining about the Genie Plus upgrades, fast, you know, lightning lane things, I think that it's a little more reasonable than $89, $15 and $20, a little more reasonable than $89. So I think it's just good for us. We'll just be able to sit through the standby line anyway.
Yeah.
How was that funnel cake?
That was great.
That was great. That thing was a little bit too big for, you know, I think it's like built for 2 people, not one. We only got like 2/3 for each funnel cake, and we're stuffed. So we're hoping like a few slow rides will help us before we have dinner. Yeah, we were really low light right here, but we were in line for the long ride for like an hour, for over an hour.
It didn't look like it was going to end anytime soon.
We only got like halfway through it. We're like, you know,
And it's getting late, so we wanted to go do some more stuff.
We want to go on some. So we've been here for about 4 hours, still haven't gone on a ride.
Yeah.
But we've eaten some good food, so we're gonna go see if we can find something we can ride on. So Logan and I are out here. We're now right here to play the carnival games. I've already won a couple of things. Yeah, a couple of things. We're trying to find some more games to play. Logan, yeah, we can try this one. But we're having a good time now. What they do is they do what is known as game cards. You got to get the game card. You purchase the game cards at a machine, and you purchase, and each game is a certain amount of money. So we're gonna do a whack-a-mole. See how we do. So we're having a lot of fun here playing the carnival games. Logan's gonna chip in. He's gonna give it a shot here at this ping pong thing. So this ought to be interesting. This will be pretty cool. Oh, almost.
Didn't make any of them.
All right, it was good shot, good try though. Here's one of the restaurants all lit up with Christmas decor, Christmas trees. Even though, like I said, Knott's Berry Farm doesn't start till next week. It's really nice to see some of the decorations out. Oh, look at this wreath over here.
Looks nice.
It is nice. Look how it's all lit up over here. This is really cool. There's some more Christmas decorations over here, Christmas trees. Over here, Boardwalk Pier. This is nice. They really have put this together really nice. So, we were going to do the Scrambler, and even though the line looked small, it wasn't. So, we went to get some bags for our prizes, and found the Berry Factory ride is available. So we climbed up the stairs, and we're gonna ride at least one thing before we go. So we just got out of the, what is it called? The Knott's Berry
Knott's Berry Tales?
The Knott's Berry Tales. It's really cool. It's kind of like the same
Toy Story Mania.
It's really, really fun. Logan beat me only because the gun I was using at first wasn't working. So, how much did you score?
148,000.
148,000. I got 110,000. Not bad for our first time out, but it was pretty good. It was a lot of fun. It was our first.
Oh yeah.
Crazy enough, it was our first ride of the day because it has just been really busy. But now it's starting to thin out. We're gonna see if we can hit a few more rides before it's time for us to go get dinner. So, check back with you. Not a whole lot out here, but apparently when we think we get our refills for sodas, they're serving Jack and Coke. Frozen Jack and Coke.
I couldn't have any, sadly.
But I can. It's a good day.
And I'm stuck with boring old Coke Zero.
So, we just got off Calico River Rapids, and both Logan and I are pretty soaked, at least from the waist down. We're pretty wet. But we like to be able to do some of these rides toward the end of the night when the lines aren't so long, and you know, have a little fun. But it's been a good day so far. Logan right now is looking at all these, if you can see behind me, some press penny machines.
I don't have any change.
So,
Can't get any.
but it's been a good day, and I think we're gonna head toward the front of the park and
Get some dinner.
Go get some dinner.
Yep.
All right. We'll check back with you in just a minute. Well, Logan, we came back to Knott's Berry Farm after a few years and had a great day.
Oh yeah.
We didn't get to ride a lot of rides. We only rode on 2 rides. It was really busy today, but we had a great time. We got some great food. We played some carnival games, which was something we have never done before. Won some prizes, so we take back to Madison.
Yeah.
Matty Peppermint Patty. And just, even though we didn't get on a lot of rides, we had a great time.
Mm-hmm. Great time.
And I think that's what's more important than anything else. We got here right around 1:30?
Yeah, around there.
And just, we walked around, we saw some stuff. We rode some rides. We tried to get on Ghost Rider, but your dad's still a little bit too fat to get in the car. But I'm going to change that, so wish me luck. And but other than that, we still had a great time and had that great fully loaded funnel cake that we couldn't finish. Neither one of us could finish. It was so delicious. But and then we stood in the longest line ever.
Oh God, for that log ride?
Yeah, we were in the line for about an hour, and then
okay, yeah, we got to get out of here, go do something.
We got to do something else. We were only like halfway through.
And so we went on to the Knott's Berry Tales. That's what it was called.
Yeah, and
like
that,
Toy Story Mania.
That's actually really cool.
That
It was a lot of fun. Looking forward to coming back at another time when it's not so busy, and we got to see it's decorated for Christmas for the Knott's Berry Farm. So you got a chance to see some of that, but we had a great time. So as I like to say, Logan, if they want to check out anything else from us, where do they go?
You can find our 2 podcasts on SoundCloud at Robert Goose Scott, on the show Wrestling Boys, about entertainment and pro wrestling respectively. And we also have Twitters for those where you can reach out and contact us. Those are On With The Show 3 and Wrestling Boys 2. Contact us about what you think about our show, what you want us to talk about, watch, all that sort of stuff.
And I will leave a link below in the description so you can go to those podcasts and see some of them here and some of the things that we've been working on. They're a little PG though, so I would just kind of listener, what do you say, discretion?
Discretion advice.
Discretion advice.
Yep.
And if they want to know more about the Travel by Nature, what would they do?
You can hit the like button, share, and subscribe.
Yeah, and just send this out. We've been having a good time going to different places, sending out shorts, and that recent ride video of Matterhorn, that was great. We've had a great time, and we're looking forward to doing more things as we go along. So with that being said, I'm Goose.
I am Logan.
This is Travel by Nature. Thank you for watching.